Ffermio Bro is a new, exciting programme funded by Welsh Government looking at supporting agriculture and farms within designated landscapes of Wales. It'll be a 3-year programme starting in May, and it'll be primarily a capital works programme supporting actions that will enhance biodiversity, help mitigate towards climate change and bring environmental benefits and landscape benefits to our areas.
Ffermio Bro is a project for landowners, farmers, land managers, anyone with an interest in managing their land. It's a project that requires all members to have a CRN number, customer reference number, that's available through RPW online. We're looking towards working sort of collaboratively, but we could potentially work individually as well.
We will have a support network of experienced staff and officers in the background to help deliver and develop projects, as well as the capital funding available to undertake the works. We're hoping that Ffermio Bro will have a significant impact, but mostly in developing the confidence and the ability of groups to work together as we move towards the SFS collaborative layer. This will be a transition programme into that project. So it's a great opportunity to bring people together that haven't worked together in the past, build their confidence and operating at scale so that we can make a difference. It'll support wide-ranging projects. We're not setting parameters of what will and what won't be available. We're hoping to cast the net widely so that we can take on board as much as possible of beneficial actions. There will be capital works based, so works on farm, but yeah, a vast variety of options are available, and hopefully we can look at things bespoke as well, so that we can get the exact measure required to give the maximum benefit.
We'll have an emphasis on supporting collaborative projects looking at mitigating the effects of climate change, nature recovery, landscape work and sort of any work directed towards improving the environment. So we're going to be working primarily in collaboration with farmers and landowners to try and improve sort of these elements on a landscape scale. So we'll be looking at potentially concentrating on specific water catchments, hills, mountains, ffryddoedd. Any sort of work at scale that we can do in collaboration is going to be positively looked at through this scheme. The application process is going to be quite simple. We'll have a simple application form that needs filling in. The application will be through the National Park or the various landscapes that you'll be working with. We'll be administrating those applications, looking at them, deciphering what work needs to be done. We can then send out advisors out to have a look at things, initially advise on enhancing those works. But the important thing is to get in touch with us, call us, email, social media, whatever you want to get in touch, and we can discuss things from there.